What if I told you that Coca-Cola sells over 2 billion drinks every single day? Even during wars, recessions, and economic crises, Coca-Cola keeps making billions. But here's the shocking part. Coca-Cola doesn't win because it has the best tasting drink. It wins because it built one of the smartest business systems in history. So, what is Coca-Cola's billion-dollar secret? Let's find out. Welcome to Capital Theory. On this channel, we break down the world's biggest companies and reveal the business strategies behind their success. If you enjoy learning about billion-dollar businesses, subscribe and let's begin. Most people think Coca-Cola sells soda. That's only the half story. Coca-Cola actually sells emotions. Think about their advertisements. Family gathering, Christmas celebrations, sports events, friendship, happiness. For over 130 years, Coca-Cola has connected its brand with positive emotions. So when people buy Coca-Cola, they're not just buying a drink, they're buying a feeling. And that's incredibly difficult for competitors to copy. Imagine opening a small shop in the middle of nowhere. What's the first cold drinks you're likely to see? Coca-Cola. That's because Coca-Cola has built one of the world's largest distribution networks. Its products are available in more than 200 countries, millions of stores, restaurants, airports, hotels, supermarkets, vending machines. No matter where you travel, Coca-Cola is already waiting for you. This massive distribution network gives Coca-Cola an advantage that very few companies can match. Coca-Cola spends billions of dollars on marketing every year. But here's the interesting part. They don't simply advertise a drink, they sell moments, whether it's the FIFA World Cup, the Olympics, Christmas, or your favorite celebrity. Coca-Cola makes sure its brand stays in your mind. Over time, people stop choosing Coca-Cola. Instead, they automatically think of Coca-Cola whenever they want a soft drink. That's called brand recall, and it's one of the most powerful business advantages in the world. Here's something many people don't know. Coca-Cola doesn't manufacture most of the bottles you buy. Instead, the company mainly produces the syrup concentrate. Independent bottling partners purchase the concentrate, mix it with water and sugar, bottle it, and distribute it. This business model allows Coca-Cola to grow globally while keeping its business highly profitable. Less operational burden, higher profits, and faster expansion. It's one of the smartest business models ever created. People's preferences keep changing, so Coca-Cola changes too. Today, the company owns hundreds of beverage brands: water, juices, coffee, sports drinks, energy drinks, tea, and even sugar-free options. Instead of depending on one product, Coca-Cola built an entire beverage empire. That's why the company keeps growing even when consumer trends change. The hidden secret. Most people ignore, but there's one final reason Coca-Cola stays on top. Its pricing power. Every year, Coca-Cola slightly increases its prices, yet billions of people continue buying it without hesitation. Why? Because customers don't compare Coca-Cola with cheaper alternative. They simply ask for Coke. That's the power of an unforgettable brand. Even legendary investor Warren Buffett recognized this advantage. He invested billions of dollars in Coca-Cola and has held those shares for decades. According to Buffett, a business with loyal customers and strong pricing power is one of the best investments anyone can own. And Coca-Cola proves that idea every single day. So the next time you open a bottle of Coke, remember, you're not just drinking a soft drink. You're experiencing one of the greatest business success stories ever created. Coca-Cola versus Pepsi. But what about Pepsi? After all, Pepsi is one of Coca-Cola's biggest competitors. So why is Coca-Cola still the global leader? The answer isn't just taste. In fact, many blind taste tests have shown that some people actually prefer the taste of Pepsi. Yet, when customers walk into a supermarket, most of them still choose Coca-Cola. Why? Because brands are built in the mind, not just on the tongue. For more than a century, Coca-Cola has invested billions into creating trust, memories, and emotional connections. So, why does Coca-Cola never go out of business? Because it isn't just selling a drink, it's selling happiness, trust, consistency, and one of the strongest brands ever created. Every bottle, every advertisement, and every customer's experience has helped build a business empire worth hundreds of billions of dollars. The biggest lesson: please leave a like, subscribe to Capital Theory, turn on notifications.